The Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge is drawing attention as the latest leaks paint a clearer picture of its design, specifications, and release plans. As per recent reports, the S25 Edge is set to be the slimmest and sleekest model in the Galaxy S25 lineup, featuring a 6.7-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of up to 2,600 nits. It is expected to come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, ensuring durability despite its ultra-thin profile. Powering this razor-thin beauty will likely be the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with up to 12 GB of RAM. Storage options are expected to start at 256 GB, with another version offering double the space. But as much as Samsung is flexing power, they've apparently forgotten 2025 batteries exist. The 3900 mAh unit sounds more 2020 than cutting edge, though 25-watt fast charging might soften that blow a bit. At least you won't be waiting long when it dies faster than expected. On the camera front, the Galaxy S25 Edge is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel primary sensor accompanied by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Visually, leaked images of the phone in black and blue show off its premium appeal, and it'll reportedly be available in 3 colors, including silver. The design is said to feature a titanium body, and although some rumors floated the possibility of a ceramic variant, the phone's thickness is expected to be under 6 mm, which sounds impressive until you remember that's partly why the battery is so small. According to Ice Universe on Weibo, the launch of the Galaxy S25 Edge has been delayed from the initial April 15th date to a new target at the end of May. However, this initial release is reportedly limited to South Korea and China. While earlier reports suggested the device might not launch in the US or Europe at all, a separate leak from a reliable source indicates that Samsung does plan to release the phone in up to 39 countries, including major markets like France, the UK, India, Mexico, and Brazil, though availability in these regions may not begin before June. In terms of pricing, the Galaxy S25 Edge is expected to fall between the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. Leaked pricing in Europe places the 256GB model at €1,249, while the 512GB version may cost around €1,369. In the US, the price is expected to range between $1,099 and $1,199, which translates to approximately 94,800 to 1,03,400 rupees in India.